A common question that I receive is what is considered a work injury in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania? A work injury is any injury that occurs in the course and scope of your employment. It's important that you be doing something that furthers the business interests of your employer. So in other words, you're lifting a box and you suffer an injury to your back. That would always be considered a work injury. There are times that you'll be at work and something happens and it's not a work injury. Typically that's going to be you violated some form of positive work order. In other words, you were told not to do something and you did it anyway. Or perhaps you get into a physical altercation with a coworker. That too will not be considered a work injury. There can be events off the work site that are considered injuries, and that would be things like a sanctioned event by your employer. Maybe there's a softball team for your employer and you're encouraged to play. Or you go to a company picnic or a company Christmas party and you're injured at that time. The ins and outs of what a work injury is or isn't are complicated. There are a lot of variables that can go into determining whether or not somebody is injured at work. I encourage you to contact a lawyer if you've been hurt, if you have a question. There are various types of injuries that your lawyer can help you go through to determine whether or not you've been hurt at work and whether or not you have a claim that is truly compensable. Call us, we can help.